Hello everyone, my name is Pablo Luscano from CIT 365 and I will introduce the Megadesk app. This app has been created to help to determine price quotes for the desk. On this presentation, I will show you the features of this web app. First, we have the main page where we have all the fields related with the desks. We have the name, the width, depth, drawers, material, rush, quote date, and the total. On this page, we can see all the quotes. In the bottom left, we have two links to go to another page. Also, we can add, edit, and delete quotes. For example, if I want to delete this quote, I receive a message that if I'm sure that I want to delete this. So if I click on this delete button, the quote has been deleted. If I want to edit, I can edit the first one, for example. I can change the material, the rush date, the date, or whatever value that I want to change. And if I type save, the quote is changed. Okay. Another feature is that we can search by name or by material. For example, if I type a name like Pablo, I can see all the quotes of this related with this name. If I type a material, pine, I can see all the quotes related with this material. And finally, I can create new quotes. Here I can type some values. For example, this create page has some validation. For example, this is the range for the width, 24 and 96. If I type some value out of this range, for example 22, and I try to save or create, I receive a message, validation message, that the field width must be between 24 and 96. So now I will type something between this range, 12, number of drawers 0 to 7, the material 5, and the date that I want. So I click create, and here is the detail of the new quote that I have created. So I can click back to list, I can search the new quotes that I have created, and here is the new quotes. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.